Okay, this is for Real Assets, 424, 624 South Lander. This is on the 24466 6th Avenue side. Looking at concrete replacement, I'll show you after I tell you though. It's a 20 by 9 attached to a 30 by 9. So the 20 by 9 is the sidewalk, and the 30 by 9 is the, I guess it'd be the monolithic curbing gutter with the panel. So it's gonna start right in front of us there. So it's 10 feet further than the panel. And then the seam for it is right in the middle of the pole there. So we're gonna have to get a permit for this. It's technically city property, so we're gonna have to no park all these for access also, right on 6, so it's kind of a busy road. And then we're gonna stripe. The areas that I have highlighted in blue, I'll show you. That's going to be the base bid for the striping, and then the area in red, the parking lot, will be the option. So I'm going to measure all the curb up and count the stalls, but refer to the aerial for this location. Stalls here are 9 feet, so I'm just going to count all stalls as 18 feet. I'll just do double to guess the measurement that we need. Then obviously we're going to put the crosshatch back here, and then we're going to put it back in front of the entrance, and then there's another entrance by the silver car on the left that you can see coming out of the building. That's where we're going to stage, and also that's going to be another crosshatch with the 18-inch no parking sign. So right now we're at 16 stalls so far. There's more. I forgot to add the note that we're going to actually turn this into an apron approach there. So we'll be back down at 0 right there, just so we don't have to hop over a curb to get into the property there. So make that note. So we have 122 feet of yellow curb, 21 more stalls. This is where we're going to stage for the striping. You see they had a no parking stencil here, 18-inch yellow. We're also going to crosshatch this out, so it's going to be roughly a 40-foot by 20-foot crosshatch, however many lineal feet you think that is. And then striping will continue until the end here. We have 10 more stalls and 65 feet of curbing. That's going to sum up the 6th Avenue striping. Also, there is a garage here on Lander that we'll walk into. It's a loading zone between 6th Place South and on Lander, just up in front of us here. So here we are between 6th Place South and 7th, 50 our east. 6th Place South to our west. 6th is at the light. This is the 624 Lander right here. We're just going to stripe the inside here. So we have these 2 lines and then the stalls. So it's 6 stalls and then 160 feet of 4-inch yellow in here. And I guess we could stage here too if need be, what the customer's saying. Now here we are on the east side of the property, so 7th Avenue South and Lander. That's where we have the parking lot, which will be the option, but first we have these diagonal stalls here that we'll count. Going back. And we have 21 stalls here, all going back yellow. So that's going to conclude the base bid for the striping. The option is going to be this parking lot here, before the gate. The gate's right here. So it's going to be like the Fastenal parking only. It's not going to include the tenant parking. So the Puget Sound security car is the first one inside the gate that's not included. So from here over, we'll go in there and get a count. In here we are not putting back the arrows, only the stalls. So make a note for crew on that. And this is just 35 stalls. All the striping's got a little bit of dirt on there, so make sure to bring wire brooms and a blower. Factor that into the price because of the added labor. And that is it.